So,
Meal number 3, steak and peppercorn sauce. It's gonna look like that, and here are the ingredients that we got for this recipe. I don't know about you, but it sounds good. We'll see. 35 minutes later, 2 beautiful plates. Can't wait to taste it. I think it's gonna be awesome. Let's give it a go. Meal number 3 for Chef's Plate, the third and final meal. We had the steak and peppercorn sauce. The peppercorn sauce was the big hit on this meal. It made everything come together. It was so delicious. I would have ate that sauce just like a cream of broccoli or a cream of carrots, like a soup. It was very good. Don't do that. That's unhealthy. It was a sauce. So 2 plates. What we found, my wife thought her piece of meat was a bit small. They gave us 1 big piece of meat. You had to cook it up and then cut it in half, and then you had your 2 pieces of meat. Maybe we should have cut it before because she takes it more rare than I do. I don't know. But it was weird having 1 big, beautiful piece of meat and not 2 instead of... Anyways, you know what I mean. So pros, the sauce, of course, and all 3 recipes for Chef's Plate were awesome this week. It's not really a con, but if you take a look at this, the potatoes in a pan and you cook them up on the baking sheet in the oven. Out of all these recipes that we've kept since we started these meal delivery kit system, all these, if it's not noodles, they give you potatoes. If it's not rice, out of all these recipes, 5 were not on a baking sheet, and 18 recipes are required to cook them in the oven. So maybe step it up on your potatoes. All 3 companies, it comes back very often. I'm not saying it's not good, but mashed potatoes is always awesome, right? So that's it for Chef's Plate. We killed it, and it's an overall pass. I know I did a review in the past because we were sort of mad. We gave it a 66%, I think. Okay, we'll give it an 85%. It's still lower than the other 2, but it was very good. So on this very cold Alberta day for the month of July 2019, yes, I do have the hoodie on. It's been raining for like over a month. So we say goodbye. But next time we're going to review Yum, because it's got a couple of M's. And we're going to review Miss Fresh. Don't forget Magic Phil 76. Go subscribe. He's looking for a number 76 subscriber coming up. And he has a contest for it. So if you subscribe, you might win something. Check you later.
what just happened? I can't believe my eyes. It's magic at Magic Phil.